You guys got any tips on advanced schema for mass page local sites with like 100 to 150 location pages using Generator Pro? I want to do more advanced schema on those pages. Any recommendation for tools? No. So, so actually, me and Nick are not big schema people at all. I actually think there's also like completely diminishing returns on schema. So like, I'm not saying that schema is completely useless. But what I'm saying is we don't use it at all. Um, Take that for what you will. We rank fine without it. And what I was going to say about diminishing returns is, a lot of the stuff that you're feeding into schema, that you're basically feeding information to Google, as Google gets smarter, more efficient, better at digesting information, their schema is going to become less and less necessary. And I would argue it's not even necessary right now. So yeah, not really an answer to your question, but I'm not going to try to pretend like I know the answer to it when it's something I don't know anything about at all. But what I would say is I wouldn't spend too much time on trying to get super advanced with schema. If you want to use it, that's fine. I know a lot of people do use it. I mean, we should probably use it too and just do the super basic stuff, right? But yeah, I would just stop at what's basic and just go spend your time on something else. It's not worth spending your time on this. Go spend it on either creating good backlinks or creating better content or, I don't know, being active on social media or YouTube or something. But yeah, it's kind of like one of these things I think is just a big time suck and it's just not super necessary and it's going to be less necessary as time goes forward. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.